Welcome to day 5 of our 7-day English pronunciation challenge. Today, we're going to work on one of the most difficult sound pairs for certain English learners, the L and R sounds. Many learners mix them up, especially in words like light and right. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tell them apart and pronounce them clearly. Let's break down how each sound is made. For the L sound, the tip of your tongue touches the ridge just behind your upper front teeth. The air flows around the sides of your tongue. It's a light, clear sound. For example, we have light and late. Practice with me. Light, late. Now for the R sound, the tip of the tongue is curled slightly back, but doesn't touch the roof of your mouth. Your lips are rounded slightly. There's a soft vibration in your mouth and throat, as in right, rain. Practice with me. Right, rain. Now let's practice with some minimal pairs. I'll say each pair twice. Repeat after me. Light, right, light, right. Lead, read, lead, read. Lead, red, lead, red. Lock, rock, lock, rock. Load, road, load, road. Low, row, low, row. Lane, rain, lane, rain. Leap, reap, leap, reap. Remember, when you practice your minimal pairs, take your time. Really feel the tongue placement and the lip shape. Now we're going to do some sentence practice. Let's use some of these minimal pairs in full sentences. Repeat after me. The light was on the right side. He read the letter and led the group. The rock rolled down the road. She locked the door late at night. Rain fell on the long lane. For today's challenge, I want you to choose 5 of the minimal pairs that we went over, go in front of a mirror, and say them slowly 3 times. The L and R sounds take time and attention, so keep working on them daily. Tomorrow, we'll focus on the S and Z sounds, which are subtle but essential. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in day 6.